Thus says the Lord of hosts, behold, evil shall go forth from nation to nation, and a great whirlwind shall be raised up from the coasts of the earth. Jeremiah 25 verse 32. Soon, grievous troubles will rise among the nations, trouble that will not cease until Jesus comes. As never before, we need to press together, serving Him who has prepared His throne in the heavens, and whose kingdom ruleth over all. God has not forsaken His people, and our strength lies in not forsaking Him. The judgments of God are in the land, the wars and rumors of wars, the destruction by fire and flood, say clearly that the time of trouble, which is to increase until the end, is very at hand. We have no time to lose. The world is scared with a spirit of war. Soon, strife among the nations will break out with an intensity that we do not now anticipate. The present is a time of overwhelming interest to all living. Rulers and statesmen, men who occupy positions of trust and authority, thinking men and women of all classes have their attention fixed upon the events taking place about us. They are watching the strained, restless relations that exist among the nations. They observe the intensity that is taking possession of every ethnic element, and they realize that something great and decisive is about to take place, that the world is on the verge of a stupendous crisis. There must be no delay. The truth must be proclaimed in the dark places of the earth. In the last scenes of this earth's history, war will rage. There will be pestilence, plague, and famine. The waters of the deep will overflow their boundaries. Property and life will be destroyed by fire and flood. We should be prepared for the mansions that Christ is going to prepare for them that love Him. God's judgment